Let Chubby Bunny begin. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I don't think this is going to go very long.
I can't do it. Chubby Bunny.
Oh, Lord.
Chubby.
That's right, Chubby Bunny.
Put it back. Right, Chubby Bunny.
I'd be looking for the little marshmallows.
I don't do it.
These aren't state secrets.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby.
Can't laugh.
Chubby Bunny.
Madeline? I hope I don't have to eat all those marshmallows after I compete with the winner. Chubby Bunny. Breathe through your nose. Is this a safe sport?
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, me. Does that, well, then who wins? Troy, you have to do another one to beat Madeline. Trash can? Go on. I don't know what you're saying. Nope, that wasn't a Chubby Bunny. You're going to have to try that one again. I don't think you can. That means neither one of y'all win.
I got 4. Oh, you got it.
He didn't get that last one. It didn't count.